Hi everyone! Today I'm cooking creamy lemon parmesan chicken. For this recipe you will need 1 pound of chicken breast, salt and pepper, a cup of parmesan cheese, fresh cherry tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, thyme, lemon, cooking cream and butter. First I'm seasoning the chicken breast with salt and pepper on both sides. You can also add paprika. Next I'm juicing a lemon and then slicing another one. In a large non-stick skillet, I'm melting the butter. Next, I'm adding the chicken and cooking it on medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden. Next, I'm flipping the chicken on the other side and cooking it for about 5 more minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, I'm removing it from the pan and setting it aside. I'm turning the heat down to medium and adding butter again. Once the butter is melted, I'm adding the minced garlic and cooking it until fragrant. I'm adding the lemon juice, the cooking cream and the parmesan cheese and mixing it well until smooth. Next, I'm adding the thyme and some fresh basil. You can also add dry basil or skip this step completely. Now I'm adding the previously cooked chicken breasts, the fresh cherry tomatoes and the lemon slices. Place the lid on top and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm also cooking some basmati rice as a side dish. I think it goes great with the chicken and the creamy parmesan sauce, but you can also eat this dish with roasted vegetables or spaghetti. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe for more recipes.